Hi everyone, welcome to your Thursday maths lesson. So we are still on the bus stop method, but note the wording here. I can confidently use the bus stop method, which hopefully we are growing in confidence with that. So first of all, we are going to warm up our brains with the expanded method of multiplication, which we did last week. So we've got 17 times 4. Fun fact, my birthday is the 17th of the 4th. So there we go. Right, so pause the video and have a go first. Go. Okay, right, back to our demonstration. So we're going to do 17 times 4. Okay, so think about what do you need to multiply here. We need to do, first of all, 4 times 7. Okay, which I'm sure you can all tell me is 28. And then we need to do 4 times 10. Which I'm sure you can all tell me is 40. Okay, so let's add those up. 0 times, add 8 is 8. 2 add 4 is 6. So the answer to 17 times 4 is 68. Well done. Okay, another one here. Right, pause the video and have a go at this for me. Okay, well done. Let's see how we got on. So 23 times 5. Okay. So we need to do 5 times 3, which is 15. Okay, and 5 times 20. So we know that 5 times 2 is 10, so 5 times 20 is going to be 100. Let's add that up, and we've got 115. Nice and simple. Okay, right, here we are, back to the bus stop method. Let's just go through a couple to just get it back in our brains, because it's been a whole day since we've done some. So here we go. How many 9s go into 1? There's 1. How many 9s can I fit in there? I can't fit any. So what I need to do is rub that out, get rid of that loop. And now let's go for 12. That's how many 9s fit in 12? If you're not sure, you can draw some dashes to help you through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's circle 9. Ready? 3, 6, 9. Perfect. So there's one lot of 9 there. And how many is left over? There's 3. Okay. Now we've got 36. So how many 9s go into 36? You can use your multiplication grids that we used earlier in the week. You can count up in 9s. You might need to know your number trick, the hand trick to help you with your 9 times tables. You might draw out 36 lots. So there's lots of options to help you here. But I'm going to tell you that there's 4 lots of 9 go into 36. Okay. Okay, now we did try this one earlier in the week, but let's try it again. So how many times does 6 go into 9? Have a think. Okay, so it goes in 1 time. And how many do you have left over? 3. And then thinking about your 6 times tables, how many times does 6 go into 36? Count up in your head if you need to. Okay, it goes in 6 times. So 6 times 6 is 36. 36 divided by 6 is 6. So 96 divided by 6 is 16. There's a lot of 6's in that question, wasn't there, guys? Okay, here's a good one. We haven't done this one yet. We are going to do 7 divided by, oh no we're not, we're going to do 119 divided by 7. Other way around would be quite tricky. So have a think. How many times does 7 go into 1? It doesn't, does it? So rub that out. Let's go for the next one. How many times does 7 go into 11? Let's draw some dots this time to help us. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And let's loop round 7, 2. There we go. Can we fit another 7 in? No, we can't. So there's 1 lot of 7, and how many are left over? 1, 2, 3, 4. 49. Okay. Now I'm sure lots of you can tell me how many 7s go into 49, because that's one of the ones we do loads of. And that is 7 7s in 49. So the answer to 119 divided by 7 is 17. There we go. Oh, an 11 one. Yay! Have fun. Okay, so how many times does 11 go into 1? It doesn't. Let's go next door. How many times does 11 go into 19? It goes in once. And how many is left over, guys? We're not sure. Okay, that's fine. Let's draw some things to help us. So let's draw 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, now let's circle 11. Okay, and then we can count how many is left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just as we suspected. Okay, so how many 11s go into 88? You can always tell me that's 8. So 198 divided by 11 is 18. There we go. Okay, so mastery time. What we are going to do is have a go at this one together, first of all. So 2A, which is the odd one out? Explain how you know. Pause the video, work these out. Which one is the odd one out? Off you go. Okay, let's do it together then. So we've got 2 and we've got 424. So how many times does 2 go into 4? It goes in twice. How many times does 2 go into what? Into 2? Once. How many times does 2 go into 4? Goes in twice. So that one equals 212. Okay, next one. Oh, this is a fun one. So how many times does 8 go into 8? 8, 8, 888. So 8 goes into 8 once, 8 goes into 8 once, and again once. So that one equals 111. Okay, now we've got, these are all nice and simple, aren't they? We've got 636. How many times does 3 go into 6? Goes twice. How many times does 3 go into 3? Once. How many times does 3 go into 6? Twice. So this one equals 212. Okay, and the last one. We might be able to spot a little pattern here. We've got 4, 8, 4, 8. How many times does 4 go into 8? Goes in twice. How many times does 4 go into 4? Once. How many times does 4 go into 8? Twice. Okay, so quite easily we can spot the odd one out. So the odd one out is B, okay? And we know that because A, C and D all equal 212 and B equals 111. Well done. Okay, so what I want you to do now is to answer the questions on your sheets in front of you. So we've got some warm, we've got hot, and oh, we haven't got spicy. Anyway, it will be on your sheet. So have a go at those and good luck.